Today, we'll be showing you how to enter as well as explaining different portions of diagnostic mode on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. To enter diagnostic mode, there is a certain sequence of buttons that you will have to press in order to get into it. On this unit, we'll press power. Immediately after pressing power and letting go, you will press both fingers on the more time and less time buttons and hold them in. But you have to do it right after you press power. So, power, boom. It'll pop up and it'll display a couple of things here. The first things it's going to display is a U and a D, and of course the L06 or L07. These correspond to the electronic control software versions, etc. You'll also see an NF. NF means no faults. If this unit had a fault, it would say TE. This is a thermistor error. This is the only thing that it is testing during this portion of the diagnostics is actual thermistor. If it says NF, then you're fine. In order to keep going through the sequences, you'll press the start button here. The first thing it's going to do, it's not going to show anything. It's going to turn off that display. Of course, you press start again, and it's going to start the unit up. This is going to turn on the heater. It's going to activate the sensors in order to read the moisture level. Of course, you'll have either a 30 or a 239. 30 is low moisture, 239 is high moisture. In order to stop this, we're going to keep going. You press start again. This is going to show you the current temperatures. Press it again. This also works for gas or electric. Press it here. It's going to shut the unit down. This is going to activate the steam valve. Keep pressing it. It'll turn off the steam valve. Now it's going to turn on the unit one more time to show you that there's no faults inside the system, followed by pressing start again to turn the electronic control off. And this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.